Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use smart lists in GoHighLevel. This feature is incredibly powerful for organizing and segmenting your contacts based on specific criteria, making it easier to target your communications and manage your database effectively. First, head over to the GoHighLevel login page and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard where you can access all the tools and features available to you. Next, locate the Contacts menu on the left navigation panel and click on it. This will bring you to the Contacts page where you'll see a comprehensive list of all the contacts enrolled in your GoHighLevel account. This is your central hub for managing everyone in your database. Now look toward the right corner of the page and you'll find a button labeled More Filters. Click on this button to expand your filtering options. When you do, a right side panel will appear. This panel is where the magic happens, as it allows you to fully customize how your contacts are displayed by filtering specific fields and criteria. Let's walk through a practical example to show you how this works. In the Filter panel, click on the option named Email. Once you select this, you'll be prompted with an ease condition, which gives you control over how you want emails to be displayed in their respective fields. The first ease option allows you to filter contacts by specific email domains. For instance, you can set it to show only contacts whose emails are from google.com or outlook.com, or even any custom domain you choose. This is particularly useful if you're targeting specific audiences or need to segment by organization. On the flip side, you can also use the Ease Not function to exclude certain domains. For example, setting it to Ease Not at Google.com will display only contacts that don't have a Google email address. This reverse filtering can be just as valuable depending on your needs. Additionally, you have two more filtering options, Ease Empty and Ease Not Empty. These allow you to filter contacts based on whether their email field is filled or blank. This is especially helpful for data cleaning or identifying contacts that need more information added. Once you've configured your filters to your liking, click Apply. You'll notice at the bottom of the right side panel, there's an option to save your configuration as a smart list. This means you can reuse these exact filters anytime without having to set them up again, saving you time and keeping your workflow efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.